Just got back from my trip from Palau and have a box to unbox. This is such a great way to be welcomed home, huh? So this is the second batch of my pre-order. Let's see what I've got. Oh, these are so cute. I ordered these because I thought this would make a great embellishment to some of my team recognition cards, congratulatory cards. Really cute. These are puffy stickers. So for those of you who have kiddos at home, this might make a good chore chart, or a, when they finish their chores, you can put a star next to their names. So I got more bling. This is the Radiant Gems. Love it. Now this is something, if you haven't gotten on the hot foil bandwagon, there are more products to add to your collection to work on this amazing fun technique. So I'm excited to work on this. And this is another new hot foil die, the circles. I mean, who doesn't love circles, right? This way. I've got more foils. This one is a silver opal one. Let me see if I can open this up. Let's see. Hang on, let me go get scissors. Okay, I'm back with the scissors. So this is, awesome looking silver opal. So it's like an opalescent holographic type foil. And the other one is red, which I purchased in anticipation of Christmas. Oh, isn't that something? Huh. You guys, this is red, and what do I have in here? Green. I'll have to see if I want to let Stampin' Up! Know about this. Have you ever run into this kind of problem or issue? Okay, so sunflowers. This is a beautiful new set, or bundle, I should say. Let me show you the paper. Hey, there we go. So nice background. The B side is always a nice basic pattern. Oh, I think I've shown this to you in my last order. That's right, I ordered more. See, we're able to pre-order, and we get to order 2 of each, and so that's what I did. I ordered more. So that's that. Got more two-tone cardstock, right? Yeah, two-tone autumn fields. I usually prefer getting the assortment, because that way I don't have to invest in a whole pack of one color. And then if I find myself using one particular color more often than the others, then I will invest in a whole pack of that color. Oh, I know why I ordered these things, because they were on sale. Hello, I think the 15% off designer series paper and cardstock is still ongoing. So if you have not purchased yours, I would suggest you do so, because it's such a great deal. Excuse me. And similarly here, I got some two-tone cardstock. This is currently loving two-tone cardstock. And here's some more hot foil die. This one's a checkerboard. Well, actually it's called buffalo check. And these are more sentiments. Okay, just love the fonts. I love mixing up of the fonts. Okay, and before we go into the kits, let me show you all the cardstock that I got. As I mentioned in the previous video, I usually check out what the colors are in a particular DSP that I have, and then I want to make sure I have the cardstocks to support that that package of DSP. And of course, because this is the promotion, it's a cardstock and DSP sale, so I stocked up on these. And I finally received my, it's August, right? August product of the month. This is the August product of the month, wherein you are able to purchase this for only $5 whenever your order hits $75 or more. I've been seeing a lot of fantastic reviews and projects made from this pack. As you can see, there's a certain sheen to it. Let's see. Very nice. These are only one-sided. They're not double-sided, but really nice sheen. Beautiful. So not just for the fall season, you can use these for all occasion. Well, the pumpkins, right? But things like this you can use for any occasion. But anyway, so hope this is inspiring you to put together an order so you don't miss out on this month's product of the month. So the kits, this is something that I've been really looking forward to it. It's the Witchy Whimsy Hat Kit. I am having a class on this. That would be September, not the 19th, the 26th, I believe the date is. If you're interested in joining me, message me and I'll send you the correct information. I just can't think of the date off the top of my head, but this is an awesome project to decorate your home, your office, the school. It's the witch's hat. Okay, now you will need to have a hot glue gun, and it includes everything you need to make this. And this is the hat, because there were some conversations online whether the hat was actually included, and I was like, why wouldn't it be? But there you go. Wow, pops open. So there you have it. It has this really nice velveteen look to it. Very sturdy, not flimsy at all. So gosh, I don't know how I'm going to put this back in again. It's one of those like pop-up laundry baskets that you don't know how to pop it back in again. So I have a class, so please let me know if you're interested in joining. I would love to have you join my class. This will be a nice centerpiece for your holiday season. See, it has everything that you will need except a glue gun, so you need to bring a glue gun. So I've got that. So I have gotten 3 kits right now. So as you register for your class, then I will make sure that you get a kit. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.